So the Rexing was an easy installation. We have the camera powered, so you got your view, your cabin view, and your outside view, both cameras. There's the camera for the cabin with infrared. Here's your buttons for the menu. We do not have the rear camera installed. I have tinted windows, so the visualization for the rear camera is not very good. The Rexing gives you a lot of options through the menu. You can actually cycle through the different views if you want to do just cabin only, or outside view, or picture in picture. So you can change the resolution. You can access Wi-Fi to be able to access the Rexing app, to be able to download videos directly to your phone, iOS and Android. Change date and time, auto power off, beep sound. As you're going through the menus, you can disable that, or just set the volume to lower. So lots of options there. I have it plugged into the 12 volt directly to the cigarette lighter. I do not have the hardwired kit. So the wiring was pretty easy. We went up through the headliner there, tucked it in all the way across to the passenger side, down the A-pillar, alongside of the dash there. Had to get it tucked in. Then we ran it down the molding where the door is there, kind of try to tuck it away nice and neat under the dash, and into the cigarette lighter for power. Again, installation was very easy. The menu features there are very easy to configure. You see there, I showed you, there's the outside facing camera on the left. Right side camera is for the cabin. So it's not too bad on the windshield there. Doesn't take up a lot of real estate. So again, installation was really easy. If I wanted to run the rear camera, I'd have to probably run it along the trim, along the passenger side, and then figure out a way to get it all the way to the back. But I decided not to do that since I have the tinted windows. They're dark and it's hard to see. So I may install it later on, but I'm going to hold off for now. So here's an actual clip of the camera in action. So you got your front view, you got your rear cabin view there. You can see the quality is great. You got the longitude and latitude down at the bottom. You got your miles per hour, you got your time, you got your date. In editing, I actually added the picture in picture, but this is the view that you actually get on the Rexing, with the cabin and the front facing view. If you add the third camera in there, it's split in three ways, or you can choose to see one view or the other. So it's a pretty good quality camera, high resolution. So the camera has a built-in GPS logger that can be enabled or disabled. The Wi-Fi connection you can sync up to the Rexing app. It's very easy. Just Wi-Fi settings on the camera. Connect to the Wi-Fi through your iOS or your Android. You can go to the app, check out the video clips, download the video clips right to your phone. The image here that you see actually shows you the cabin, rear, and front view as if you had all three cameras connected. So that's what I was referring to earlier about the view on the actual Rexing itself. The app is very user-friendly. I haven't had any issues with it. I've actually used the app for a couple years now with the Rexing V1 version that I have. Very easy to download. You can actually start and stop record on the actual app itself. You can also switch to photo mode and take photos right from the Rexing. So it's pretty user-friendly, and it's a great design. So if you need additional information about the camera, there's the web address there for rexingusa.com. Their support is outstanding. If you have any questions, please reach out. They'll answer them pretty quickly. Overall, I think this is a great camera and highly recommend.